Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Smarthome. Today, we're going to talk about something that might come in handy if you're experiencing any issues with your Sonos speaker, resetting it. Whether it's unresponsive, acting up, or you just want to start fresh, resetting your Sonos speaker can often solve many common problems. So, let's dive right into it. Here's how you can reset your Sonos speaker in a few simple steps. Step 1. Identify the type of Sonos speaker you have. The method for resetting may vary slightly depending on the model. If you're unsure about which model you have, you can usually find this information on the bottom or back of the speaker or refer to the Sonos website for guidance. Step 2. Now, let's get into the reset process. For most Sonos speakers, including the Sonos One, Sonos Beam, and Sonos Play One, you'll want to follow these steps. First, locate the reset button. It's usually a small indentation or hole on the back or bottom of the speaker. Using a paperclip or a similar tool, press and hold down the reset button for about 10 seconds until you see the light on the speaker blink. Once the light blinks, release the button. Your Sonos speaker will then power off and restart. This indicates that the reset process is complete. Conclusion. And that's it. Your Sonos speaker should now be reset and ready to use. Just keep in mind that resetting your speaker will remove it from your Sonos system, so you'll need to set it up again using the Sonos app. If you're unsure how to set up your Sonos speaker again, don't worry. The Sonos app will guide you through the process step by step.